Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Madurai location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for factory supervisor position from Jayashree Sperm Bond. So it is for Madurai location, Tamil Nadu, and education qualification will be qualified with a diploma or any degree, and with the practical knowledge is required, and mostly diploma candidates are preferred. So both freshers and experienced candidates can apply for this position, and mostly giving preference to fresher candidates, and the candidate expected with leadership time and priority management and easily interact with co-workers. So it is for male candidates. Work timings will be morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m. and night 9 p.m. to morning 9 a.m. So working hours will be 12 hours, and it will be rotational day shift and night shift, and job type will be shift based work. So it will be shift based work. You can check here with the work timings provided here. So 0 to 5 years of experience is required, and they are looking mostly for fresher candidates also. So the candidates should be knowing the languages like Tamil and Hindi. It will be preferred. So for more detailed information about this job opening, or else if you want to apply, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video. So you can have a look on the description once for the website link to apply for this factory supervisor position. Next one, there is a job opening for machine operator position. It is from Jayashree Sperm. So it is for Madurai location, Tamil Nadu. So education qualification will be qualified with any technical degree or diploma with practical knowledge is preferred, and both freshers and experienced candidates can eligible to apply for this position. So they are giving preference to freshers for this job role. And coming to skills required, so they are looking for a skilled machine operator to set up, maintain and operate machinery, and you will ensure the efficient running of machinery, and proven experience as a machine operator, and also working knowledge of diverse high speed machinery and measurement tools, and understanding of production procedures and adherence to health and safety regulations. So these are the skills details, and they are giving preference to male candidates for the recruitment, and work timings will be morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m. and also from night 9 p.m. to morning 9 a.m. So it will be rotational shifts and day shift and night shift, and working hours will be 12 hours, and it will be a shift based work. So job type will be shift based work. So you please go through with the information provided here. So experience will be minimum 0 to 5 years of experience is required, and you should know knowledge in Tamil, English, and Hindi languages to this job role. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video. So you can have a look on the description once for the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for electrical supervisor position, and it is from Jayashree Sperm Bond for Madurai location. So qualification will be diploma or any degree with the practical knowledge, and both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So coming to skills details, the candidate expected with leadership time and priority management and easily interact with co-workers. So these are the skills details, and coming to roles and responsibilities, ready to work with machine, maintain and handle machine, and need to know basic system work. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So they are giving preference to male candidates. I mean, they require only for male candidates. So work timings will be 9 a.m. to morning 9 a.m. to night 9 p.m. and also 9 p.m. to morning 9 a.m. So it will be rotational day shift and night shift. So 12 hours work will be there, and it will be shift based work. and minimum 0 to 5 years of experienced candidates are required. So salary will be 10,000 rupees per month. So the candidate should be having knowledge on Tamil and Hindi languages. It will be preferred. So for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link available on the description. Next one, there is a job opening for receptionist come admin position. It is from Scientific Agriculture Laboratory Private Limited, and it is for Madurai location. So it is for only female candidates. So it is strictly within Madurai location. So they are hiring within the Madurai location candidates. So they require any graduate with minimum 3 to 7 years of experience as a receptionist or admin, and responsible for handling front office reception and administration duties, including greeting guests and offering them a beverage, answering phone calls, handling company inquiries, and sorting and distributing mail. Mail also schedules meetings and travel for exhibitions. And coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to answer phones and operate a switchboard and route calls to specific people, answer inquiries about company, and greet visitors warmly and make sure they are comfortable, and visitor handling and monitoring housekeeping in entire office area, and ensure the reception area is tidy, and coordinate mail flow in and out of the office, and coordinate office activities, and also give visitors badges and direct them to where they can sign in, and issue parking or gate passes, and send emails and faxes, and also PF other statutory benefits are applicable to this receptionist cum admin position. So if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link for more detailed information. It will be available on the description in the video, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for logistics assistant position. It is from Scientific Agriculture Laboratory Private Limited. So it is for Madurai location, and they are giving preference to strictly preference to within the Madurai located candidates, and they require candidates from any degree with the 3 to 5 years of experience in dispatch or logistics, and generate invoice based on stock availability in ERP system, and coordinate with inventory team to facilitate dispatch on preparing lorry dispatch covers and sorting invoices, speak to lorry sheds or transporters to arrange dispatch vehicles, and you need to maintain cash balance and expenditure statements. So coming to other experience details, the candidate should be having knowledge on computers, and also knowing the knowledge in MS Excel and email knowledge is required, and also good communication skills are required. So PF other statutory benefits are applicable for this logistics assistant position. So for more detailed information, if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link available on the description in the video. So you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for accounts executive position. It is from Scientific Agriculture Laboratory Private Limited for Madurai location. So it is for only male candidates strictly within Madurai location. So they require BCom graduates with minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in accounts is required. And coming to other details, the candidate should be having a good working experience in Tally or ERP environment, and data entry knowledge about journals, receipts, purchase, etc. are required, and follow up of accounts payables and receivables, and also preparation of bank reconciliation statement, etc. And also good knowledge in MS Excel, emails, etc. So these are the other details provided here for this job role. So for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. So it is from Scientific Agriculture Laboratory Private Limited for Madurai location. So they are giving preference to male candidates only. So they require MBA graduate with minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in sales, follow up, and admin activities. And the candidate should be having knowledge on MS Excel, PowerPoint, and email, and sales follow up, outstanding follow up, and resolving customer and sales related queries, and raising order form in ERP and order tracking. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Please go through the information provided here, and for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description in the video. So you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for junior research fellowship or project associate position. It is from Madurai Commerce University. So the university with the potential for excellence. So it is for Madurai location, and only one vacancy is available for this post. Salary is not disclosed here, and 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Education qualification will be MSc, and last date for application process is 20 May 2021. So for more detailed information about this job opening, including application procedure and selection procedure and other detailed information, you can visit on the official website link available in the description. So you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for technical assistant position from the same university, that is Madurai Kamaraj University. So for this position, only one vacancy is available, and salary is not disclosed here. So it is for fresher graduates. Education qualification will be MSc, and last date for application procedure is 15th May 2021. So to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for student internship. So it is from MKU, I mean Madurai Kamaraj University. So only one vacancy is available for this internship, and salary is not disclosed here. So they are giving preference to fresher candidates. So education qualification will be BTech or BE and also MSc. So last date for application process for this internship is 15th May 2021. So to apply for this internship, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description, so you can have a look on that one. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.